South local government and also the chairman of Warri People's Mandate. Yeah, our mission here today, we all understand what is going on in Delta State. But what most of Nigerians are seeing, it is not just the word delineation thing. All what you are seeing today in the Warri Federal Constituency is all about political economy of the people. What the Ijaws are trying to do today is to annex our land, take away our resources, falsify documents, using government instrumentality to rename Itshekiri's community, giving them strange names, the Ijaws and the Urhobos. That is what is going on in Warri. Now, if it is all about delineation, we ask ourselves, the entire constituency and state in Nigeria, they are due for delineation. Why is INEC singled out Warri Federal Constituency for delineation? Election is not just around the corner now. 2027, we still have ample of time in doing so. INEC chairman, that the tenure is about coming to an end. You are going. Why are you rushing to do this one? Is it because of the dollar for cash money that has been spread to the commission today? We all know this. We had it on good authority. How much that has been spent by the Ijaws on INEC to carry out these illegal activities that they are doing. Now, it will interest you to know that why are we here today? We want to ask. If you go back to Delta State, the Itshekiri, we do not have any issue with the Ijaws. It is the Baramatu clan in Warri Southwest that we have issues with. But each time there is this issue, you will always see the larger Ijaws from Bayelsa, from from Rivers State and Ondo State coming to speak on issue that you know nothing about. That is why we are telling the world that no, the Itshekiri, we do not just fall from heaven. We are Yorubas. We are now back to our brothers. That what is happening to your brothers in Delta State today affect everybody, affect all Yorubas. That is why you saw the Yorubas addressing the joint world press conference with us. So, what we are calling on INEC to do today, it is go back to the field, go and do your remapping, go and do a proper work, and in doing so, use the old template of Warri local government. And in this time around, we are calling on the international community, we are calling on all civil society organizations to be part, particularly the Younger Africa, to be part of the delineation. Let them come clean. Open your door. Those election management monitoring groups should be part of this delineation so that the whole world will see what is going on. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.